This is Sony's new mid-range Bravia OLED TV with flagship technology, the A8. Available in 55 and 65-inch screen sizes, the A8 features our most powerful picture processor, the X1 Ultimate, our unique panel driver, pixel contrast booster, tri-luminous display, and X-Motion clarity. OLED panel technology yields several inherent strengths because each pixel is its own light source. Unbeatable black levels, stunning contrast, and a wide viewing angle so everyone gets a great view. But there's more to it than just the panel. Sony's picture processor is ultimately what provides the A8's stunning image quality. Our acclaimed X1 Ultimate picture processor uses several object-based technologies to enrich your picture. It works by identifying each object within the picture, then enhancing the detail, color, and contrast for a full, immersive view. Our unique pixel contrast booster ensures the performance of the OLED panel is maximized to provide natural textures for a superbly realistic picture. Netflix calibrated mode, Dolby Vision and Atmos, IMAX enhanced, and Sony's own custom picture mode setting, co-developed with Sony Pictures, are all included. You see films, TV shows, and games with the color, contrast, and motion the creator intended you to see. Our Acoustic Surface audio with twin subwoofers takes care of the sound. Acoustic Surface audio recreates the immersive sound from picture experience you get in the cinema. Actuators invisibly vibrate the screen, creating sound waves that come directly from the screen. Twin subwoofers provide the lower frequency bass tones to deliver rich, multi-dimensional sound. These advanced picture and sound technologies are wrapped up in Sony's signature minimalist one-slate design that keeps all your focus on what's important, the action. Our ambient optimization technology adapts the picture and sound to your environment. It will automatically adjust the picture brightness to the light in the room, boosting it in bright rooms and reducing it in dark rooms for a perfect atmospheric view. This technology can even detect objects in the room, such as curtains and furniture that may absorb or reflect sound, fine-tuning the acoustics so your sound isn't compromised. Finally, with a high-performance chipset, Sony's Android TV gives you fast, effortless access to all your favorite content. We've built a microphone into the remote control, and with Google Assistant, you can control your TV, smart home, and find new entertainment using your voice. Explore over 5,000 apps available from the Google Play Store and use Google Chromecast or Apple AirPlay to cast from your iPhone, iPad, Android device, or laptop straight to the TV.